talk about garden glamour. I mean, here we are at the 2026 Philadelphia Flower Show put on by the Pennsylvania Horticultural Society. It's the oldest flower show in America, and it's so big. Today was the press preview, so we got a sneak peek of everything, but tomorrow it's open to the public, and you will just be amazed. The theme this year is rooted, and it's all about the American landscape. The showcases here showcase all of the Native American plants and how to use them in our garden display. The floral displays, the crowns for our hair. There is just so much to do for all of you aspiring budding botanists, for families, and you're just going to have a wonderful time. So enjoy.